So here you'll be able to add an event. So if you click add new event, type in the event name here, the date and time of your event. So you can put the start date here and then the end here. However, if your event is going over a few days, you can click this and it'll show up for each day that your event is running. Important to mention that if you include an event, if you upload an event, it not only does show on your CleverSoft page, but it also shows on our main union homepage as well, which is good to get the whole student audience involved. So tagline, this is just key bits of information about the event that you can pop in. Location, you can pop where your event is happening here. But at the minute, a lot of things are happening online, so you are able to pop in a meeting URL if your event's happening online. And also meeting join info, so you can pop in the passcode or sit and join instructions for your committee members. However, if your event is external, you can have an external URL, which will take them directly to the other website that is hosting the event. Here, you're able to click what event type that your event is. So definitely click TeamAbba because that's it'll be a TeamAbba event. However, if you're uploading an event onto the Welsh side of the website, always click Cymraeg Welsh, as this will show up on the Welsh side. You don't have to do that on the English side though, so yeah, leave that out on the English side. Daytime event, freshers, nighttime, whatever your event is, you can click some of these, and it's useful when people are filtering through events on the main page of the website. They're able to filter to your event. Next here, you can upload an image, so select image. You have a bank of images that you would have already uploaded, or you can choose one directly by clicking here, which is directly from your desktop. Important to note though, you can get image dimensions in our website guide. Viewing permission, so this is where you can select if everyone can view your event, so it'll show up onto our main homepage, or members only or admins. Display dates, so this is different to event dates. Display dates, self-explanatory, but shows when you want your event to display to and from. So for instance, if you are uploading your event a couple of weeks in advance, you'd put the date you want it to upload onto the website here and the time, and then the end date you wanted it off the website, so you pop that there. It's different to date and time because this is the actual date and time of the event, whereas this is just the dates you'd like it to display on the website. And next, here is the full description of the event. Works just much like Word. You type in your text here, and then you can change the font, the size, add in images, like in this, add in a YouTube video, because in here, a table, and make sure to click save, and then it'll be uploaded on your specific CleverSoft page and also the main union event page.